the moment it looks like things are running away without me. I'll show on the 15-minute. You see, price got up into this area that I marked out this morning, and he's just dropped straight off of there. That it was news that pushed price up into this zone. Then price started coming out, but there hasn't been any retrace back to allow me to get an entry anywhere. So we can see here. I mean, we can see from yesterday. I mean, it's easy in hindsight. But we can see how the 26,200 area was being used to accumulate orders, or there were orders placed around this, buy orders. Something was pushing price up, and you know, you can see it now. There's something going on around this level, and like I said before, institutions tend to use between, you know, the whole round number and the 20 area. There'll be orders placed around there. I mean, this is what I've read, you know, and studied, and the thing I've heard is that, you know, the people within the institutions, they're lazy, so they just use the same areas, and you see it mainly on the higher time frames. If you look at swings on the higher time frames, you'll see they all come, or the majority of them come from the whole number and the half number, which is where price started turning around here this morning. But we'll see at the moment if price gets back up into here. Again, it's a bit late in the day. I don't know. I mean, the time to have been trading was out of here. You can see when price is moving up, how it staircases up. You see, basically this was a, you know, I had the level marked off here. Obviously they were looking a bit higher than that, but you can see from here price moves up, pulls back, then staircases. You see, you get a break of the high, price comes back, another break of the high, price comes back, break of the high, price comes back, and then another break, doesn't quite break the high but comes back again, breaks the high and comes back. Now this is where it gets interesting, because we can see this next push up fails to make a new high, and that's the significant thing. And then from here, look, price pushes down and makes a new low, and it's after this, and you can see how price is dying off. See how price comes back into this area. You see price has been coming out of this just here. That's just all it is, just coming out. And you can see, you know, price starts making lower highs, lower lows. You're close to a level of interest. You know, at this point, especially, you know, the 1 minute engulfing candle, that's all it is, but start just going short off of that. Where do you trade to? Back down into demand, down here, get out down here. And then here, look, price started building out of here. I mean, sure. I mean, trading this out of here, you'd probably been taken out at break even, because you wouldn't let price run up like this, come back and risk having your stop taken out. So you're either taking profits up here or getting out at break even. And here, coming out of here, we're too close to 3 o'clock UK time. There was the red news out of America, so you just stay out of trades. And like I said, this is the level I marked off this morning that I was interested in when price came up into. But at the moment, price has just come straight out of there, and it started to build out of here again. It depends what sort of price action there is once price gets back into here. I mean, it might even get up to the 60 level. It might break out of this high. Or there again, it might just turn around where it is. It's up to price. So anyway, I'll stop the video here and come back to it, when something starts to develop. Right, we've got price. It's jumped back up into this area. But now you look at this 15-minute candle now. I mean, that's now. I mean, if price reacts from here, it could well end up as another a long wick. And price is starting to react, you can see. See if this 1 minute candle can engulf. There we go. Right. Be nice to look to go short. Fuck it. I might have missed. It's the problem. I'm having to go onto the other screen to enter trades, and it's not so easy. See if we can get up to 26.45, and I'll see about going short. This is my issue. It's getting always waiting for to get a bit from the market, and it's not going to give. Well, right now it's not going to give it to me. Like I said, I'd like this. Back to 45-ish. Oh, right, what did I get in at? 44.7. Don't know. Let's trade at 44.7. Right there. $54.7's my stop. 54.7. So I'm short from there. Yeah, we'll see how price moves out of here then. $44.7, yeah. So that's where I entered, 44.7. 10 pip stop, 20 pip take profit. Because I've seen, price has been getting up around here and rejecting. Price moved, hang on, see, price came up here this morning and dropped off. It spent a lot of time around 26.20. So as all the buying pressure from here being dried up, we'll see. You see, price only got to here this morning without the news. See, it was the red news out of the USA that pushed price up, and quite often during news, when news is coming out, a lot of orders in the market get pulled, and that allows price to get to levels where there are orders. So what I'm calculating is that price has been pushed up to here to pick up some extra orders that are here, because you can see there's just a small shelf here where price was moving around yesterday and dropped off from here, and now we've just been actually punched into that now on the red news. So we'll have to see how price goes, and at the moment things aren't looking too bad. So what I need is price to come deeper into this zone, because we can see how price has moved out of here. But look at the wicks up here. There's a lot of selling pressure at the top here. So I'm calculating that price is going to come back deeper into this zone and hit my take profit. I don't need price to work through this, as long as I can come back into it. Right now I'm going to cover just in case. You can see on here how price pushed through. There was a bit of inefficiency in here. Price has come back, filled this inefficiency in, and now we're in this candle, because you can see the price stair stepped up again. Move up, come back, move up. But what we haven't done from here is establish a new high, and we've started moving down from here. So now I want to see price start staircasing down and push through this low. See, price could be working its way back to this level. See, this is where put it to one chart. We can see here, you see how price broke structure, made a new high, and it hasn't been back to this level. I mean, this is the fractal nature of price. You see, there it is from a 15-minute perspective. Price moves out and is now come back into this level. See, broke structure, made a new high. Now we're seeing it, a pattern of self-similarity, only on a smaller scale. Price coming out of here, look, made a new high. Pulled back, but it didn't get back into this candle, just got into this. So there's still this open. See, I'm looking at price coming back, filling in here. See all the reaction off of here. This is the 20 level. I need price to get me down to 24.7. So you get these where we're getting a bullish reaction. So price comes down, makes a new low, comes back, fills in, comes down, makes a new low. Now you can expect price to come back, fill this in. If it's going to drop lower, come back. Now it depends on how much liquidity is still in here as to how easily price is going to get through it all. But if liquidity is going to dry up here, you'll see price will push down. And you know, if there's still buying liquidity here, price will have to push up higher before it can find enough selling to get enough momentum behind it to push through this level. It'll have to go up and load up on more sell orders that are resting above. Come on, I need 24.7. About two pips away, I think. 25.8, 25.9. Oh, come on. So I need price to get down through here. Yeah, that's it, my take profit. So I'll stop the video there and come back later.